guys, I'm back. I look crazy. Today I'm doing the Blythe doll inspired makeup trend that I've been seeing for a while. I searched up my Blythe doll and these are the ones that kind of looked similar to me. Obviously it doesn't have like the brown hair. I have brown hair right now. But anyways, let's get into it. Okay, first we're gonna start with foundation. I'm gonna mix like these two together, so let's get into that. Okay, I kind of mix it together as you can see, and I'm just gonna blend. Okay, next I'm gonna add some concealer. Okay, right now I'm just gonna add some finishing powder on my face. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some bronzer. Okay, now we're just gonna blend. Okay, now we're gonna add some blush. The Blythe doll is wearing a lot of blush, so we're probably gonna have to use a bunch of blush. Okay, next we're gonna add some powder. This one's almost finished, but I have another one, so. I'm gonna leave it to sit. I'm just gonna add some brown eyeshadow, one of these shades. I'm gonna add some eyeliner. Okay, next we're gonna add mascara. I'm finally just gonna blend all this. Okay, I almost forgot some highlights. Okay, next I'm gonna add some lip liner. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of lipstick. I'm gonna add some extra concealer. Okay, setting spray. Okay, I'm gonna do my hair. I'll come back when it's done. Hey guys, here's how it came out. It didn't come out how I wanted it to, but I tried my best. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep for more.